Today, we are traveling back to 1995, a time when personal computers were just becoming a household necessity. And in that year, Windows 95 was released, an operating system that changed everything. In this video, we will install Windows 95 and revisit some of its most iconic features. In the past, USB drives did not exist. Windows 95 was installed using either a CD-ROM or 13 floppy disks. Yes, 13 disks. Installation wasn't always as simple as it is today. Back in the days of Windows 95, we depended on DOS to initiate the process. Sometimes the installation took hours, and every time you inserted a new disk, you hold your breath, hoping there would not be an error. Those who use computers in the 90s will find this installation process a nostalgical journey back in time. And for those who never experienced Windows 95, this can be a fascinating lesson on how we used to install operating system back in the day. Windows 95 introduced the Start menu and taskbar for the first time, something we still use today. Before this, everything was controlled through files and command lines. But Windows 95 made computers more user friendly and accessible to everyone. Not only that, but for the first time, we had My Computer and Recycle Bin features that is still a part of modern operating systems. And then there were the legendary games Solitaire and Minesweeper. These simple yet addictive games kept us entertained for hours and introduced many of us to PC gaming. Windows 95 introduced many new features. So, this was Windows 95, the OS that truly made computers personal. If you have used Windows 95, share your memories in the comments. And if you are from the new generation, would you use an OS like this today?